Hi friends, choosing a wonderful theme for your business website is important task for you, and this is not an easy task in fact. WP Themes channel solves this problem and shows you all the features and the installation process of any theme. So if you have decided to make a website for online furniture, this video is for you. Today I have a very wonderful theme for online furniture store. The theme name is Furnicom. Furnicom Furniture Store and Interior Design WordPress WooCommerce theme. It has 10 plus home pages ready for your website, and we will see some of them in the demo, and we will install the complete Furnicom theme at WordPress installation along with the demo content in this video. So this is the Furnicom landing page for showing the demo, and we can take a look of main demo. The Furnicom theme was developed in 2016 only, and the regular updates is also being done, and theme developers are Magnet Tech, and they are Power Elite authors. So Power Elite authors always brings good theme for us, and we can rely upon them easily. So this is the layout of Furnicom WordPress theme, and this is specifically made for the furniture store, and you can see it has a very stunning and to the point look for a furniture online store website. Yes, so on hover it shows two images, reflection or alternate image for a it is good feature. And this is client testimonials. This is some additional things which we can showcase, and the blog is also in a stunning look, and the footer is also very good. So we can take a look of product description. Yes, this is the product description page, and it has a very wonderful look with some additional features on this. And if we talk about any inner pages, so this is the about us page. And so it is a multi-vendor theme. This theme is having a feature of multi-vendor facility, so Docker is used here. So we will see all these things in the installation process. And so if you have decided to make a website for a furniture store, this can be a very good catch for you, undoubtedly. And it has wonderful feature. I have already seen all such features, and I am going to show you all of them in this video. So we can now start the installation process of Furnicom. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which 2021 WordPress theme is installed, the latest one, and I am with latest version of WordPress as well. So I always use the latest version of themes, WordPress core and all such things, so that you may never compromise on the versions. And I have the theme pack as well. So in the theme pack I got licensing and theme. So these are the child and main theme, and we shall start with the installation now. Come to the WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, upload theme, choose file, Furnicom, and this is the main file you have to select, the Furnicom theme _zip. And if you are having direct access on your server, so you can directly upload in the cPanel WP content themes folder. So I am doing the same. It will save some of our time. So theme is having 32.18 MB in size. It is a bit higher. Generally theme comes in 10 to 15 MB in size, but it never mind. It may have multiple features. This is why theme folder is having multiple big size. We can extract it now. Now we got a Furnicom folder here, and all the Furnicom theme components, codes, file folders are here now. So we can now delete the zip folder. It is not going to be used further. And now we'll come to the WordPress theme section again, and now we have another theme option like Furnicom here. So we can check the Furnicom theme details. So this is Furnicom version 2.0.1, and the Furnicom by WP theme Go. So we have the Furnicom version 2.0.1, and we can now activate it. Upon activation, an alert comes to install the necessary plugins. We will do the same. So here are the list of plugins. Almost all are required, and we will definitely install all. So I advise to install all the plugins one by one, but here is a long list, so I'll do most of this in one go. And for WooCommerce I will run another install. Visual Composer from 7 HTML for site. For WooCommerce I am going to do this task again. So it is being installed now. It may take some time because there are multiple plugins being installed. So all done in one go. So I can now go for the activating these all. So this is the welcome page only, and we can go back to the plugin installation screen. So some plugins not working because WooCommerce is yet not installed. So we'll install the WooCommerce now. This is the WooCommerce. and upon installation of WooCommerce it needs a basic setup, so we will do that as well. Just refresh the page, it should be redirected to that page, initial setup page. Yes, we are on now initial setup page, approaching to initial setup page. So I'm just putting a sample data, you put the original one. And here you need to choose the Furnicom, continue with my active theme, and no need to install the Jetpack, we can do it on later stages. Now WooCommerce is also installed, so remaining plugins are related to WooCommerce that we can install now. And you can choose to install all in one go. So we select activate all remaining. Now we have installed the theme and all the plugins, in fact, so required and optional. So we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and of course with plugins. So it is having a basic look as there is no content with this, but yes, on the next stage we are going to import the demo content so that we may make the website according to the demo zone. So for this we have an option under appearance section, import demo data. This is one click demo import, and we have multiple options of home pages. So I will definitely give the link of the demo pages under the description of this video. And we have seen the home page 1, but we have 10 options to choose it. You may choose any one of this to import, and all are having a very stunning and wonderful look, so you can choose according to your choice. So homepage 2 layout is also very good, and in fact all are very good, so we cannot compare one another. It is just a choice of individual or matter of look only. So this is home page 2, but in this video we are just importing the default one, that is home page 1, and just click on import. You have all these 10 choices, you can choose any. I'm just importing the one, and yes, import. So it is now importing, and it will definitely take a bit time because some media files is also being imported here. So just be on this page, don't try to refresh, don't try to leave this page. You will reach on this screen. That's it, all done. Once the demo import got finished, so now we can take a look of our website, because we have done all the activity which is required for installation of theme and demo import. Yes, it's the wonderful website is on the way. Yes, it has loaded now, and yeah, we got all the theme components along with the images here, and a wonderful furniture online shop is ready for putting the original content. I mean the content which you need to put actually. So we can just check a page of product listing, so all should work fine. Yes, it is also good, working as desired, and it is a fast loading website in fact. So it is loading in blinks, and this can be a very good advantage for your website, that is loading very fast, and cart feature is also good. Shop is on mega menu style. So we have completed the installation and demo import of Furnicom in this video, and if you got some problem and if you have some questions, you may definitely ask on my website given in the description, link given in the description, or even here. So I will definitely try to answer, and don't forget to subscribe this channel because I'm going to bring wonderful tips and themes as well as plugins for you. So keep watching. Thank you very much.